you own a business and you want to create an online shop for your business, but you are finding it difficult to create it? So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an online store, also known as e-commerce store, absolutely for free. I'm going to use free themes and free plugins. The only thing you need is to just get a hosting provider and a domain name, then you are good to go. So the first thing is that if you don't have a hosting and a domain name, all you need to do is to click the link in my description below to buy your own hosting and domain name. So once you click on the link in the description below, it will lead you right to this website. So what you need to do is to click on hosting and shared hosting. So you can see that there are three plans here. There's the $2 per month, there's the $3 per month, and there's the $5 per month. So if you are just going to build maybe a small store, you can just choose this first one, which is the Stellar plan. So click on get started. And then your domain name, if you have an existing domain name, all you need to do is to point your name servers to Namecheap. And if you don't know how to do that, you can drop a comment below so that I will drop a tutorial on how to do that. So new domain name. So input your domain name right here. Click on search for domains and let me just write anyone. Webtech guy shop. So these are the list of the available domains that they are going to give you. There's .com, .fun, .host, .online. There are many other ones right here. You can see that all these ones are free, but this .com is not free. So these ones are free for the first year. So just click on anyone.com and click on connect to hosting. So this is the total amount that you are going to pay. So click on add to cart. Alright, once you click on add to cart, just click on confirm order. Alright, so if you don't have an account, just create your account, your username, your password, then just create account and continue. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in with my account. And so once you create an account, you'll be redirected to this page, and you just put your payment details right here. Either you want to use card payment and your address, and either you want to use PayPal, you can choose any payment method that you like. And after then click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will get a notification that your payment is successful, and then you'll be directed to your dashboard. So this is what your dashboard is going to be like. And right here, you are going to see the domain name that you bought. So click on go to cPanel, and once you get to your cPanel, just scroll down and click on WordPress. So these are some of the websites that I have created. Click on install now, and then you'll be asked to choose the domain name that you want. For me, let me just choose this subdomain. So just choose the domain name that you bought earlier. Site name, you can write anything, the name of your store name, the name of your store, or anything that you like, and just write and then your admin username, let me write this, and then your password, just write any password that you like. So let me input the password. Then your admin email, you can change it. You can also create a webmail. So scroll. I don't need these plugins for now, so but I can install them later, and then click on install. So this will take about a minute to 3 minutes before it is finished loading, depending on your network speed. Alright, this actually took some few seconds, and then this is where you can check the websites that you just created. You can see that it is empty, everything is empty. This is where you can log into your cPanel, new tab. Once you log into your admin dashboard, this is what you are going to get. And in case it asks for your username and password, just input the username and password you created earlier. So now that our website has been created and our dashboard is accessible, next thing we are going to do is that we are going to change the permalinks so that it can be well optimized for SEO and it can be easily remembered, and so that your website links can be easily remembered by anyone. So go to settings and click on permalinks. Then you can see different formats. This one is in um, dates, it's writing dates, but this one is quite difficult to remember. So the best for now is to choose this with the post name. So click on Save Changes. All right, the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to install our theme. So to do this, go to Appearance and click on Themes. In this tutorial, the theme that we are going to use is called the Astra theme. Now, this is a multi-purpose theme and it is free of charge. You don't need to pay anything to create a full website using this theme. And you can see it right here because it is a very popular theme. Just click on Install and activate. So once you have activated the theme, the next thing to do is to set up the theme. And to do that, click on Get Started and just wait for this to finish activating. And after getting started, click on Build Your Website Now. Then you will be asked to select a page builder. You can use the WordPress block editor, you can use the Elementor theme builder, and you can use the Beaver builder. But for me, I prefer to use Elementor for this video. So I'm just going to click on Elementor right here. And the next thing is that it will take us to the list of free demos that we can import. I mean, they are absolutely for free. And you can see that you can create any kind of website using this theme, not just e-commerce website. You can create a business website. Just click on any category you want and you will get all the list of the website under that category. But for me, I am just going to choose e-commerce. And under e-commerce, there are many other ones here. There's online, there's clothing, there's jewelry, there's sports, there's book. Let me just go with the clothing store. And these ones are free, but these ones that you can see the premium right here, they are not free of charge. You have to pay or you have to switch to a premium subscription for your starter templates. So just scroll down, let us see the one that we can use. This is Skin Cleanser store. This is a fashion designer store. Let us check out this one looks like. I'm just going to hide this so I can see the full website. You can see that this actually looks great. Let me check if I can see another one. All right, let me scroll to just look for a free demo I can import. And here is another one called the cosmetic store. So let me check how this one looks like. Click on it. So let us check how this one looks like. And for me, I think I actually love this. I think I love this. Let me check some other pages. Well, I love this. So I think I'm just gonna stick with this particular template. So click here and you can set up our website. As you can see where you can upload your logo, but if you don't have a logo, you can easily create one on Canva. Canva Pro. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can watch my video on how to get a free Canva Pro account. And then, so let us go to Canva very quick and click on create a design. Let me choose the custom size. So I'm going to show you how to create a free logo using Canva. And let me just choose this 4x4 inches. So you can choose any size you like. I can easily crop this out. And note that this is a white logo, so the white logo is going to look great on this particular website. So just search for um logo. You can see the list of many logos that you can choose from. So since the name of our shop is let us say web tech store, or anyone, so you can just search for W logo. You all start from A. I mean, search for A so that you can see many. So just edit any one of them, change their color, change the style and everything. So let me search for W logo. So you can see once I get the one I like, I think I love this one or this one. This one looks elegant and it is very good for a fashion store. So let me just choose this one, and let me add this. So you can change the kind of fonts. You can change any one of these. So I think I just love this and just write a text store. Now this is just for an example. So you can use this as a tagline. Let me just write anyone. Let me just write a fashion store. Okay. Let me try to increase their size. Um, let me select all this one and increase the size a little bit. Okay, so I want to change this background to a transparent background. So just click on the background and press your delete button. Now this is a transparent background, so you can hardly see your logo, but that is no issue. Just click on share and export it, download, save as PNG, increase the size a little bit, and transparent background. Then click on download. All right, so it has been downloaded. Now go back to your website and upload your logo file. Once it has finished uploading, click on select. Just wait for it to change. As you can see, it looks really great. I increase the size. If you notice, there are some margins right here, and that was because I did not crop logo before uploading it. So let me show you how this looks like. So from Canva, you can see, let me undo this. So you can see that that is the margin and like both the bottom and the top. So you can see, so to do this, it's very easy. Just go back to your logo, your image, then click on edit image and click on crop. So you just crop it, just crop the top and the bottom to remove the margins and click on crop again, then save. So click on select again. Now you can see that the margin has been deleted. It just remains just little, but that is still okay. You can just increase the width a little bit more and click on continue. So for here, we can change the color to choose anyone that we like. For example, we can choose this. And if you scroll down, you will see that the colors have changed to purple. So let's change the default color. You can see that it's already changed the color to purple. Then let's choose red. And once you scroll down, you will see that the colors has been changed to red. Let's choose pink. And you can choose any color that you want, and you can also choose a custom color, whether you want yellow or any kind of color that you want. Just edit it and you're good to go. So, but for me, I think I'll go with pink because pink looks kind of good. Because for a female clothing store, I have to choose a feminine color actually. Then for the font, it is the Montserrat font, and I think I like this Montserrat font, so let me just choose it. And yeah, just keep all these ones, doing it there, and just click on submit and build my website. Now this will take a few moments before it's finished installing every of the necessary thing that it needs to get you a live website. Congratulations, your website is now ready, and as you can see, it took just 50 seconds to build. So let us check out our website. Click here to check your website. So you can see how our website now look like. You can see all the products and everything. So the next step is now to begin to customize our website, starting from the home page and the other pages, how to upload the product and do many other stuff on it. So let us check how to customize your own page. To do this, all you need to do is just to have a basic knowledge of Elementor and you are good to go. Elementor is very easy to use. All you need to do is to just drag and drop anything that you like, whether it is text, image, or anything. Just drag and drop it and you see it in action. So click on edit with Elementor. So click continue. I don't need this for now. Okay, you can see how everything looks. To change this, just click on it and you see where to change. And also this. Now, if you don't have a content idea, you don't know how to write content for your website, you can use ChatGPT and you will get the best results. To do that, just open a new tab and click on chat.openai.com. So visit the website and log in. Or if you are already logged in, you get this page. But if you have not logged in, you get a page where you can log in or sign up. So let me ask you to do something. Let me ask you to generate a content. So let me write it. All right, I said generate a full website content for a female clothing online store called WebTech Store. And I said write the homepage content here. So enter. Okay, so it has finished generating it. Let me copy some of this. Welcome to WebTech. Welcome to WebTech Store. And let me just write it here. Okay, so I paste it here. I don't need this, so you can delete it. Just right click and click on delete. And for this, your ultimate destination. So let me copy this too. And paste it here. Then view more. You can link this view more to your other pages like the about page. So if you want to get the links, the URL to the or to other pages to the about page, let me open a new tab and check the website again. So this is the about page. Now copy the link and go back to your home page to this Elementor and paste the link here. Then click on updates. So scroll. You can change this to anyone you like. Then this picture can also change it. So let me just try to edit this. Write our collection. So let me copy this too. and paste it here. Um, Let me just copy everything and copy then paste here. Okay. Let me see if I can copy more. All right. Then this view more, I want it to lead to the shop page. So to do that, this is the link, just like what we did earlier. Copy this shop page and click copy link address. Then go to Elementor and paste the link here. Then the picture, just click on the picture once you click on it. So this is not really a picture. This is actually a background image. So if you click on the picture and you don't see some um sections like this, it means that the picture is actually a background image. Now to edit it, just click here, edit inner section. And once you click on the edit column and you can't find the picture here, then it means we have to look for the picture somewhere else. So go to this site, edit inner section, and you definitely find it here. Click on it and click on style. As you can see, this is the picture. You might need to do some picture manipulation on Photoshop, but that's not necessary. You can just easily choose picture. You can choose from your file explorer, or you can choose from this right here, free images. Now this is actually powered by Pixabay, so it is just implementing Pixabay into your website. So once you click on the free images, you can search for anything you want, and you surely get it. So for me, let me just choose this and see how it's gonna look like. So this is not looking good enough. Let me just try to do some editing here. Go to the background overlay and background type. What I want to do right now is that I want to darken this background and change this text to white so that it will be bold and you can easily see them. Then color black. So you can see what I was talking about. And then let me increase the opacity a little bit and change this to white. Click on the text, go to style, then scroll, click on the content, and see the color here, change it to white. The description color too, change it to white. So we are good to go. Let me change the text. Okay, this is good. This is okay. Okay. If I don't want it to be as dim as this, just click there, and let me try to reduce the opacity into bits. Okay, I think it's good like this. Then scroll the session sale, free shipping, and stuff like that. You can get the content from Chat GPT. Let's say we need this content, season sale, free shipping, money back guarantee. So let me just type it here. So you can see that Chat GPT is already generating the description that I said is very short, because ChatGPT might generate some long description and I just need a very short one. Even though I typed very short, some of the content are still longer, much more longer than what I needed, but I'll just shorten them anyways. Okay, I think it's done. So I'm gonna copy this, copy, and see that this is way too much. Let me just do some. Okay, this is okay. Then so this, let me copy this. This is way too much. Let me just delete it from to this place. This is okay. And the last one, let me copy this, then this, and paste. Let me try to do some content here. Because we don't need too much content for the website. We just need some little content, and um you can either remove this, or you can um get an image carousel of some of your clients or some people that trust you. You can edit this on Canva. Just go to Canva and search for image carousel or logo carousel. You're gonna see it, and you can just edit it and put any logo that you want. And for this, you can edit this image just like what I said earlier. Just click here. This is obviously a background image, so click here and click on style. You can see just choose on so just click on choose image and just edit the image. And also these testimonials, you can generate content for your testimonials on chat GPT also. So, or if you don't want to use chat GPT, there's an Elementor AI that I did video about like some weeks ago. You can see it here right with AI, though it is very limited. The free plan is very limited, but if you upgrade to a premium plan, you are going to get unlimited usage of it. So click on write with AI, and this might take some few minutes to load. Okay, now if you have not connected your Elementor with your website, so if you have not connected your Elementor account with your website, then you might get an a login or registration page so that you can either create an account or you can log into your account. But for me, I have already connected it. So um then click on new prompts and let me write generate, then click on generate text. Okay, so you can see this right here. Just click on use text. Oh god. But this is way too many, and let me just stick with ChatGPT for now because I have already given it some prompts. So ChatGPT can easily relate with my previous prompt and can generate some testimonials for me. So let me type it here. So let me just copy this first one, this first testimonial, and paste it here, and the name too, and paste. You can see the name, the title, paste it here. And if you want to include the title, maybe CEO or anything. So just repeat the same process for any part where you see testimonial. Just repeat the same process for that. And also the latest products, we are still going to add the product, so we will skip this for now. As I have said earlier, that you can change the text to anything you want, the latest product, or you can delete it if you don't need anything there. And also, if you want to edit this newsletter, go to your dashboard and go to WP Forms. Now, what we are going to do is that once your customers or any client or your guests enter their email address and subscribe, their email is going to be added to your mail list and can easily get their emails and send anything to them, can send newsletters to them or anything that you want. So scroll and locate the WP Forms. And when you get to this page, you can see two forms, contact form and the sign up form. And it should be the sign up form, but let me confirm. Yeah. Once I click on, you can see ID equals to 8, and I will locate it here. So this is the form, and click on edit and click on settings, then notifications. And this is where you can edit the email address that you want to send. Whenever they input their email and send, the email will be forwarded to this email address, so you can write anyone you want. So let me, for example, you can write something like this, and thus, and click save. Okay, so we are good to go. Go back to the home page, and so we are done for the home page, and repeat the same process for each of the pages, just like the about the contact page, and for every other pages. Click on updates. Do not forget to click the updates. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add product to your online store. To do this, go to your dashboard by clicking here. Then scroll down. Okay, so click on this product right here, and you can see some of the demo product that we have. We can see some of the demo product that we have. First thing we're going to do is that we are going to be deleting those products and their categories. Then we are going to create new categories and new product. So just select them in bulk and click on move to trash and apply. All right, so let us delete the categories too. Click on categories and you can see these demo categories, and select them in bulk and delete, then click on apply. All right, so we're going to create new categories, and if you want to do this, all you need to do is to input the name of the category here, then this log is optional, and then the description of your category. Okay, so let us create the category. Then you will get this page and add your store details. This is where you will update your address. So I'm just going to input my address here. So the next thing to do is to select your country, is to select your selling location and choose any of these options. Then whether you want to enable taxes or not, you can just link this and set your taxes rate. But I don't need that. And if you want to enable the use of coupon code, you can choose, you can tick this box, and also your currency. You can try to change your currency from this place. So, and some other changes too. So just click on save changes and go to the product site. Then you can change your shop page or the placeholder image or the weight unit, dimension units, and you can choose to enable review or not. And then once you are done, click on save changes. Now go to the shipping tab, and if you want to add a shipping zone, just click on add shipping zone. So zone name, let me write Africa here, and the regions within this zone. So click on it, and the shipping method, add shipping method. You can choose a flat rate, a free shipping, or a local pickup. So just choose anyone that will work best for you. Add shipping method, and can edit it. So if you want to enable the flat rate, just write the cost of the shipping fee. Maybe for people that are in Africa, it can be just, let me say, $5 for the shipping fee, and then save changes. So once you are done with that, click on these shipping options. So you can choose any one that you prefer here. That you want to enable the shipping calculator on the cards page, that you want the shipping destination to be either the shipping address or the billing address, and then go to the shipping classes. So if you want to create a shipping class, just click add shipping class and input the name, the slug, and the description. But we don't need that for now. So go to the payment tab. And this is where you can enable the payment option. If you want to use Stripe, which is the credit card, just enable it and set it up. Once you click on this finish setup, you'll be redirected to where you will link your Stripe account to your WooCommerce. You can say it's here, then just save the changes and click on the Stripe API settings. So this is where you can connect it to your Stripe account. Just click here and you'll be directed to where you can log into your Stripe account. And once you log into your Stripe account, you are good to go. And just repeat the same process for all other shipping methods right here. We also want to enable cash on delivery. Just take it, or a direct bank transfer. Just take it and set it up. And also, if you want to enable Paystack or PayPal, everything is absolutely for free, and it is a very easy process to do. So let's go to this tab, Accounts and Privacy. And just try to read all these and select the one that works best for you. And also the emails. These are the emails that will be sent to you or your customers when they receive any order for you and your customer. Just try to set them all by clicking up on manage and edit the necessary things that you need to do there. And if you need clarity on anything, just drop a comment below and I will answer your questions. So you can just leave the integration and the advanced for now because you don't necessarily need them. And also, let me teach you how to edit the header and the footer of your e-commerce store. So edit your header and your footer. Click on appearance and click on customize. Once you click on customize, click on the header builder. This is where you can edit the site title and logo. This is where you can edit this cart icon. Once you edit it, you can change the cart icon and you can choose to display the cart count or hide the cart totally bare and some other changes to like that. This is where you can edit the menu or these ones. This is where you can edit the menu and primary menu. And click here to configure the menu. So the primary menu. And if you want to edit this menu or any of these, click right here, click on edit menu. So this is where you can edit it, the shop page. If you want to add a new item or a new page, just click here. And you can see the list of pages that you can add. Let's say I want to add the product category, or let me say the products. Click here to display all the products, so you can see. And if you want to rearrange it, you can drag it here, and so you can see it right here. Then click on publish. So back, and that's all about the header. And you can also set it to be a non-transparent header by clicking here. And you can also enable the transparent header on all the complete websites. Just click here and publish. And if you want to edit the footer, just repeat the same process that I used for the header for the footer. As you can see, the contact details. You can click on this pencil icon to edit some of the details. For example, the contact link, just click here and put your phone number here, put your email address here, and put your physical address here. Let me just back this. And you can also choose to edit it from here, either this place or this place. So this is where you can change your image, your logo. So just click on image or click on replace image. And then we replace it with this. Click add to widgets. So you can also edit these links by clicking this pencil icon. And edit, just put any link that you want, whether you want to put some pages. Let me just put some pages there, like the cards page. You can see. So let me just drag it here. Then once you are done with it, click on publish. And you can also edit this copyright. So this is where you can edit the copyright text. And you can edit the social media links too. So this is where you can edit them. Just paste the URL here and you are good to go. So once you are done editing the footer, then you are good to go. Just use the same principle I taught you to edit the other pages, and you can just try to play around with some features till you become expert in them. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.